Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use coupons on Shein. Now it's a very simple process. So firstly, all you have to do is just simply open your application, then just simply go to the option which says Me. At the very bottom right corner, just simply choose that. Now in the dashboard you will find multiple options, but the option that you are looking for is Vouchers, which will be at the very left hand side corner at the top bar. So click on Vouchers, as you can see right over here. So as you can see right over here, I have currently 4 coupons which I have not used and are not expired as well. So now I'm going to show you how to use the coupons. So now all you have to do is simply place an order, and then when you will place an order and then send it to your bag, as you can see right over here, I have already an order in my bag. So just simply open that order and add to your bag. Then in the end, scroll down, click on checkout. Now over here, if you're using this for the first time, enter your shipping address. So let's do that quickly. So after you've entered all the details regarding your shipping address, as you can see right over here, if you want, you can also make this your default address by click on this option over here. Then click on save. Now over here you'll find multiple options, but the option that we are looking for is apply vouchers, which will be at the bottom. Click on that option. Now over here you'll find all the vouchers that you currently have. Now to use a voucher, just simply click on the voucher. Then, as you can see, the voucher have been applied, and if you want to remove the voucher, click on remove. So let me show you. So without using any voucher, currently the price is 1030 excluding the shipping. So let's add a voucher. So click on add voucher and add a voucher. So let's choose the first one. Now click on continue. So as you can see over here in the subtotal at the very bottom right corner, the price just got reduced. Now that's how you can apply coupons. Now in order to complete the process, all you have to do is now just simply add a payment method. For example, Google Pay, PayPal, or your credit card, debit card. Choose any option. Then let's say we are going with PayPal, so choose PayPal. Then in the end, click on PayPal over here. Now all you have to do is just simply click on your PayPal application and complete the transaction.